So, Ole Taualuga, Lima Lunga, Voigt of your life, Lima Lunga. Yes, sir. Sani fungala au ai alau suita ile faiva ma fau talu alo popole nei te iua le taulau taunu ale upu ale au le nailau.
I stopped dancing for, say, 3-4 years because I did have kids. But then just last year, October, my 2-month-old son passed away. And I thought to myself, it's either I go this way or this way. Which way do I want? Either to fall or to just make something out of my life. Just wanted to do something better in my life than just suffering from depression. Dancing again has made me feel good about myself. I'm doing something to for my son just to live on in me. So through my movements, I knew that this is my passion. It was my passion. So I gave it my all, performed with my heart. It's through dancing that has led us to great and bigger things.
Great opportunities, eh?
Feels really amazing, just making a whole room come to life, just with our performance, us dancing. The looks in people's faces, the joy that they had just from us dancing.
In the beginning, you're just like a little girl growing up learning how to siva from the older lot, but then as you grow up, they get you to be part of the experience in teaching your church items like fiafia, lyrical dances, and also siva Samoa for church competitions. Feeling you get is actually, you get a sense of pride, like you're performing your whole heart, representing a group who's behind you, who's also supporting you through Bese and the Faumui, supporting you dancing aiulis. So you just carry this sense of pride in that you got chosen as the taupo representing the group.
So for me, it started in high school where I started to get people saying how good I was at siva taupo. Yes, I was only 4th form when I was gaupo for the Manurewa High School, where I placed 1st. And yes, since then, that's where like bigger things started happening for me.
The pressure gets really, really intense, like, you know, from your mothers to the all the people in the group eyeing you out, especially if you're performing for Polyfest. The teachers is on your back, the tutors, but you know, if you have the whole heart and the gracefulness and the elegant in you, then you can portray it, portray the taupo Samoa in a good way. We were both influenced by Mary Jane. So Mary Jane competed for Miss Samoa 1997, and for her talent she did the bird dance, Manu Oliver Beal. And back then our auntie got the tape and we watched it, and from then on I thought, wow, this is pretty different, like never seen a siva Samoa like this. So from then on it kind of inspired me into thinking outside of the square about siva Samoa, that you can use like fast movements, not only slow and elegant, but fast movements can also be portrayed as graceful. Betuai ni mala, betuai manu. People say we're like twins. It's like we mirror each other, but we can't see each other, but we're dancing next to each other.
It's important to know how to use your body. So say if you're a Tibetan on your right, the whole body, your posture, your shoulders, it just flows right through your whole body.
We actually love
it.
like buxom woman, you know, Taualuga woman. Like I reckon it, you know, just the curves and everything makes the movement more elegant and gracefulness. Just the movement. Skinny girls, yeah, if they can dance, it's nice, but
we love our big girls as well, especially for Taupo dancing. It's how you present yourself from like everything, your fingers, your smile, just how you use your body.
We love the slow, graceful movements that doesn't go to the beat of the song, so in our own timing. Just your whole body being a big woman, buxom woman. It's just like you just feel the solidness, passion within you that just makes the movements flow, and it's like the whole world is watching you. Taualuga is like the dance of life. Siva leola. Yeah, like with all your heart, or no mere gracefulness, and you know, loto fiafia, happy heart.